Now, in preparation for the London Triathlon, it's important to realise that beginning exercise dehydrated and experiencing dehydration as a consequence of sweating during exercise can impair your performance. So the following advice is to explain how to monitor your hydration status during the day and before competition, and to also calculate your individual sweat rates so you can formulate your own individualised drinking plan. Begin exercise hydrated. The colour and volume of your urine can be used as an indicator of your hydration status. Use the urine colour chart to assess your hydration status and adjust your fluid intake accordingly. Weigh yourself and your drinks before exercise. Considering the hours and hours of training that a triathlete dedicates to their sport, relatively few athletes know their sweat rates and how much they should be drinking to prevent significant body mass losses during their session. Make a note of your body mass and the weight of your drinks or gels before you go out for training. Record the duration of your session. In addition, make a note of the intensity of the session and the ambient temperature. Following your session, towel dry yourself and reweigh yourself and your drinks bottles. In this example, the athlete's pre-exercise body mass was 75 kilograms. After training, the athlete weighed 73.5 kilograms. During the session, they drank 500 ml of fluid. To calculate your body mass loss, subtract your post-exercise weight from your pre-exercise body mass. To calculate your percentage dehydration, divide your body mass by your pre-exercise weight and multiply by 100. You can build up a profile of your sweat rates in response to different conditions. This will allow you to adapt your drinking strategy accordingly on race day. During exercise, you will lose weight and become dehydrated. However, the aim is to reduce the degree of dehydration, so adjust your fluid intake during exercise to prevent losses equivalent to 2 to 3% of your pre-exercise body mass. This process also allows you to make sure you do not accumulate weight during exercise, which is strongly discouraged. In this example, we've calculated sweat loss and subsequent sweat rates in litres per hour. After exercise, rehydrate. The aim after training is to replenish what has been lost during exercise, and this is especially important when training twice or 3 times a day. It is recommended to drink the equivalent of 1.5 times the volume of body mass losses during exercise. Using a well-formulated sports drink such as Gatorade will speed the uptake of fluid into the body and also begin to replenish your body's depleted stores of carbohydrate. This slide summarises these recommendations. It's important to remember that the importance of hydration strategies are not just on race day, but to support and optimise your training on a day-to-day basis. And ultimately, it's your training that's going to determine your race performance.